If you just, yeah, that's good. That's the right idea. When you get it snug, no, a little bit more. Keep going. That's good. Now you should be able to still move. Yeah, you get it where you want it. Okay, and then when you, no. Tighten the clamp first. You got to get it real tight. That's good. Okay. Good job. Okay, we got 2 more to go. See, you're learning quick. Isn't that cool when you leave the clamp in place and some, that's it. Not too tight. Excellent job. That is beautiful. Take it all the way through. Does it go all the way through?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.